Traders, it's the new year. January 1st, 2020, time is flying by. I wanted to give you guys an update because things are about to change big time. Things are about to change big time. I wanted to share some things with you guys. I didn't plan any of this. I'm just kind of going off the cuff right now, so bear with me. This week's been hard. Little baby Micah, as most of you know, was born on the 25th. Our Christmas miracle. So we are super excited about that. But it's been an absolute roller coaster of emotions, lack of sleep. The other day I looked in the mirror, I had black bags under my eyes from lack of sleep. So it's been crazy. But the trading's been tough because, of the lack of sleep. And I showed you guys the chart the other day of SVRA, and it was a little challenging. It was a little challenging to do that one just because I stopped out so early in that stock. And so when I say things are going to change, I mean big time as far as the trading goes. And we're going to be making things a lot more automatic. I'm going to be eliminating myself from the picture a lot of the time. It's going to be taking the same trades. But the thing is, I'm going to be using range orders. And so for the next month or two, I'm going to be papering, and I'm really excited for it. Most of the time people are really anxious to just jump in there with a lot of money. I'm fine, sitting back for a little bit and just papering and working on something new, because I need to start taking more trades. I keep focusing way too much on just one setup and then marrying that one setup, putting too many chips into the pot on one trade. It's not good. Frequency of trades is a big deal. I mean, you think about that's how casinos operate. I mean, they're not worried about losing a lot of money here and there because they know they have so many different tables and machines working for them that over time, they're going to be consistent. So what I'm going to be doing is taking the same high probability trades, but I'm going to be putting in range orders. So essentially right when I get in, I'm either, I have my set risk and reward already on that stock. So I'm just going to get into it, move on to the next one. And it's just going to trade for me. And I'm going to be taking dozens and dozens of trades a day. So I want to keep you guys updated, but it's just been hard. There's been a lot of things going on recently. That's why, a lot of trading videos haven't been posted. This week's been difficult. Tomorrow I can't trade. There's just a lot of stuff going on right now. That's what comes with having a kid. And I think one of the big things for me too is with eliminating myself from the picture is the desire to want to be right versus the desire to just want to make money. And that's what really differentiates amateurs from professionals, is just getting that ego completely out of the way. I don't care if I'm right. I can have a consistency rate of really low. You can actually be inconsistent a lot of the time, but as long as your risk reward is set, so your winners are way outweighing your losers, you're fine. And so we're going to eliminate bias and myself out of the picture. We're just going to be taking high probability setups, setting range orders, moving on to the next trade. We're going to be doing this lots of times, trading a lot of different tickers every single day, and ultimately just letting the probabilities work, not myself. But I think it's going to be a huge game changer as 2020 is here. I'm really looking forward to it. I think we're just going to be moving up, guys. It's going to be a transition for the channel. We're doing education, we're doing live trades, we're doing all that stuff, providing you guys with the best education out there here at Avery Day Trading. But I wanted to give you guys an update. It's been a little crazy. But I do have a lot of stuff in store for 2020. It's going to be our biggest year yet. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update as 2020 is here. Hope you guys had a great New Year's. We're off to a great start. It's going to be a great year. It's going to be your best year yet. I truly believe it, guys. All right, let's get to trading.